True Water brings the power of nanobubble technology to home spas. The result? Beautiful water that's 99.9% chlorine-free. That's even less than drinking water. The secret is in the nanobubbles. Invisible bubbles 5,000 times smaller than a grain of sand. They exist in the natural world within crashing waves and waterfalls. Unlike regular bubbles, which quickly pop, nanobubbles are stable and remain in the water. True Water uses trillions of oxygen-filled nanobubbles, which gradually dissolve and oxygenate the water. They scrub away contaminants and continuously deep clean every part of your spa without all the harsh chemicals. So your spa is always filled with clean, clear, sparkling water. Lab results show that True Water has reduced 99.9% of bacteria and viruses without chlorine or bromine. Most spas require daily upkeep, but with True Water, you'll enjoy your spa without complicated or time-consuming maintenance. In fact, you only need to spend about 15 minutes per month caring for your water. It's automated with one-touch pre-programmed cleaning modes that make it simple to start up and refresh. And you can monitor and control the water from anywhere. All in all, you'll spend far less time maintaining your hot tub and more time relaxing in it. True Water only from Jacuzzi. It's next level clean, next level easy, so you can next level relax.